This is your new mate. The future technology is now. Introducing Huawei Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, and Mate 40 Pro Plus. It's got the most powerful Kirin chipset ever. Take the best photos any time of day, against backlight and low light. See further with 100 times telephoto zoom. And make your wide-angle shots picture perfect. Video your world with ease. More stabilization. More perspective. And a lot more intelligence. Bringing you color and definition that's second to none. Its front camera smartly fits everyone in and puts your selfies in slow-mo. It responds to your gesture and even to your eyesight. Tap to work with your MateBook. Need more windows? Yes, one more, and one more. Get super fast charging with accessories packed with advanced technologies. It brings you an experience like no others. This is the Huawei Mate 40 series.